Essential travel tips for beginners. Welcome, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the world of essential travel tips, especially for those just starting their journey. First up, it's all about planning and research. Research your destination thoroughly. Learn about the local culture, customs, and any travel advisories. This knowledge will help you navigate your destination more comfortably and respectfully. Create a flexible itinerary. While it's great to have a plan, leave room for spontaneity. Some of the best travel experiences happen when you go off the beaten path and explore unexpected gems. Pack smart. Make a checklist of essentials, and don't forget important documents like passports and travel insurance. Consider the weather and activities at your destination to pack appropriately. Stay connected. Save important contacts and addresses in your phone, and consider getting a local SIM card for easy communication. Having a reliable map app can also be a lifesaver. Point 5. Be open-minded. Embrace new experiences, try local cuisine, and engage with the local community. Traveling is not just about the destination, it's about the journey and the people you meet along the way.